Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, today I have two awesome fitness watches, the Amazfit T-Rex Pro and the G-Shock GBD-H1000. Let's see how they stack against each other. First, let's start with the common things they both share. At a glance, these watches look pretty similar. Their physical form prioritizes durability over sleek sophistication. They are chunky according to a lot of people, but wearable. They are definitely built to last with all military grade testing. Let's get to one thing straight. These are fitness watches, not smartwatches. I say this because whenever a notification pops up, you can only view. You don't have an option to reply to any notifications or answer phone calls. You only interact with the notifications by viewing them, and that's about it. Okay, even though these watches are not that smart, but when it comes to fitness, they're amazing. They track your heart rate, distance traveled, calories burned, and so on. They just do their job fine. Let's now talk about the differences. When it comes to price, the T-Rex Pro retails almost half the price of the G-Shock. For this price, I will definitely go for the T-Rex Pro since you get more for the buck. In my opinion, G-Shock sells the name rather than the product. Well, the interaction of the G-Shock is by using buttons, while the T-Rex Pro is by both buttons and touch. I prefer the T-Rex Pro because of having the both options. Notifications are easier to access from the T-Rex Pro, but with the G-Shock, you have a lot of steps to get to the notification menu. When it comes to display, things start to differ. The G-Shock uses MIP technology, which is amazing outdoors. You can see clearly without using energy, especially during the day. When it's dark though, things become worse. You can't see clearly unless you push the light button, and it only lights up to 3 seconds. The T-Rex Pro, on the other hand, uses AMOLED technology on the display. This means you can use the watch whether it's daylight or in the dark. I prefer the T-Rex Pro because the display is awesome in whatever lighting condition. When it comes to feature pack, I would definitely go for the Amazfit, the T-Rex Pro. The G-Shock is mostly meant for running athletes. There's a lot of things missing on the G-Shock. There's no sleep tracking, no stress monitoring, no weather conditions, and so on. When it comes to battery life, the G-Shock has solar panels built in, which on paper should result in amazing battery life. When you switch on the heart rate monitoring on the G-Shock, then the battery life takes a hit. Personally, I wear the G-Shock as a normal watch, with no heart monitoring activated. The T-Rex Pro gets up to 10 days, but with everything turned on, the SpO2, heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, and so on. To be honest, I am a G-Shock fan. I have G-Shock watches because I know they're amazing. But in this case, I prefer the T-Rex Pro, since it's cheaper and packs a lot of features. You are paying less for more features. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.